Some real estate deals don't fail because the market crashed. They fail because the warning signs were there from day one. Here are 5 red flags that tell you to slow down or walk away. This is educational, not financial advice. The goal is simple: avoid expensive lessons. Red flag number 5, demand illusion. The area looks good, but units sit empty, listings stay up, and rent cuts become normal. If a property only works when it's fully occupied at top rent, you're buying hope. Quick test. If you had to lower rent by 10%, would it rent fast? If not, demand is weak. Red flag number 4, perfect world underwriting. Zero vacancy, no maintenance, no reserves. No property behaves like that. If the spreadsheet dies the moment you add reality, the deal is fragile. Red flag number 3, deferred maintenance. Fresh paint can hide old systems, roofs, plumbing, electrical, drainage. These aren't maybe expenses, they're scheduled surprises. If you can't identify big-ticket items, you can't price the risk. Red flag number 2, financing traps. Short-term debt on a long-term asset. Rates that reset fast, or deals that only work if you refinance soon. If your plan requires perfect interest rates, you don't have a plan. Red flag number 1, missing documents and unclear reality. No leases, no rent roll, no proof of payments. Trust me numbers, or units that don't match permits. If the truth is messy, your investment will be messy. Before you buy, run this quick checklist: demand test, reality numbers, CapEx awareness, financing stress test, clean documents. If one fails, you don't negotiate with the math, you walk. That's the top 5 real estate red flags. If you want more film-style breakdowns on real estate and building wealth through assets, subscribe and comment which red flag have you seen most often: demand, numbers, CapEx, financing, or documents.